Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So, I understand you want to know why the life-changing lessons is not secured. So, from what I see, it's actually secured, and of course, you can let me know why you feel it isn't, because the Insider School domain, if you check it here, you're going to see that it is secured and it is verified. And I went ahead to open up the funnel itself, and as you can see, this is the page it takes me to. And if you come here, click on it, going to say this connection is secure. Your information, for example, password or credit card numbers, is private when it is sent to the site. So you have the SSL, the certificate valid, and yeah, your connection is secure. So you can let me know if this answers your question. That's all for now. Have a great day.